Today we got these 6.5 inch kickers here, 300 watt max. You see 100 watt RMS on them. We're gonna just pop them out here and have a look at them, see what they look like. With some wires here in the box, nice. Connectors, mounting screws, and what have you. All looks pretty good. Slide one out of here. Got a nice grill on it. Looks pretty good. So that looks pretty nice. The grill, speaker, looks pretty good. Of course, got the other one here. Yeah, they look pretty good. Pretty happy with them. They should work well for what we're using them for. The wires here with them, and like I said, the screws, butt connectors, all that stuff. Probably even some stickers in here somewhere. Box. Got your paperwork, all that. Yeah, they look pretty good. Happy with them. Should work great.